In Excel, we can open several workbooks at the same time and switch between them. To illustrate, I will open 3 workbooks. I select Sales 2009, Sales 2010, and Sales 2011. Then I click Open. We can see that the workbook named Sales 2011 is displayed on the top of the Excel window. This means that the information we are looking at belongs to the Sales 2011 workbook. So, where are the other files? Well, Excel displays each workbook in a window. To switch between them, we need to follow the steps shown on the screen. So, I first click the View tab. Second, I click Switch Windows. As you can see, a menu showing all open workbooks is displayed. Finally, I select Sales 2009. As you can see, the name of the selected workbook is displayed on the header of the Excel window. The information we are now looking at belongs to the workbook named Sales 2009.